On a gorgeous summer day, nothing beats unwinding with a hearty salad dinner. Without ripe, fresh tomatoes and cucumbers, it is impossible to picture a mouth-watering summer salad. Cucumber and tomatoes are the best flavor enhancer for a tasteless, dull salad, but did you know that this scrumptious combo may have some unsettling effects on the health of your digestive system? We frequently blend vegetables when creating salads, soups, stews, sabzi, or curries, yet every item digests at a different rate. Particularly when food molecules split during digestion and certain foods disintegrate quickly, while others adhere to the intestinal walls for days and produce a variety of digestive problems. Cucumber and tomatoes each require various amounts of time to digest throughout the fermentation process. In contrast to tomatoes and their seeds, which take longer to ferment, cucumber is easy on the stomach and digests more quickly. When two foods that digest differently, either quickly or slowly at the same time, the fermentation process can result in secretions and the creation of gases, which may cause a number of illnesses. This may make digestive problems even worse and can result in acid reflux, gas, and bloating. In some instances, it might make pre-existing medical conditions worse. Therefore, in order to profit from these two items, it is usually advised to eat them apart. Every meal we consume responds differently during the digestion process. Some foods are quickly and readily digested, while others take a long period. Combining two foods that decompose at different rates and in distinct conditions can result in a number of digestive problems, including gas, bloating, stomach pain, nausea and exhaustion. Inappropriate dietary pairings might worsen underlying digestive problems and slow down metabolism. Cucumbers are filled with nutrients that aid in keeping you hydrated, claim nutritionists and dieticians. Cucumber has a characteristic that prevents vitamin C from being absorbed. Therefore, it is recommended to avoid combining cucumber and tomato. They should not be ingested together because they both have entirely separate digestive processes. Doing so can cause bloating and the creation of acids. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.